Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Binance allow now customers to buy Bitcoin with zero trading fees. And this was before on Binance US, but now this is on big Binance as well. So I think this is good for Binance users. The second thing I would like to talk about is all about the bankruptcy about Voyager Digital and the whole mess around it with Sam Bankman-Fried's Element Research, which actually owes Voyager 377 million US dollar, and on the other hand lent the company 500 million US dollars. So I really don't understand what's going on here. Okay, the third thing I would like to talk about is another lending platform, this time Vauld, a Singapore crypto exchange, freezes withdrawals. And the fourth news is all about that actually there is a new feature on Ledger, and now you can use basically FTX through Ledger Live to swap your crypto. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to get the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because even now I'm on holiday here in Greece in July with my family, I still bring you the freshest. So simply subscribe to the button or hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. And now it's time to look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually back to $22,000, which is about 8% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum also about 7%, makes it 1,252 US dollar. When we're looking at the winners, Aave, it's up 15%. Then we have Polygon about 13%, and Internet Computer 12%, kind of. Okay, and among the losers, not big one this time. So we have Leo 2% down, and we'll be talking 2%. Basically that's it. The basic attention token like kind of 1%. So today we having overall a good day. You can see actually here the Bitcoin price. We have seen yesterday a green candle before yesterday, and even we having it so far today. So we are back here on this 22,000 level. This one could be one of the resistance levels at 23,000 something. So we will see if we can go up all the way here and then coming down. Now, as you can see, that altcoins are altogether not coming up that strong yet. Bitcoin is the one which is actually doing pretty well, but after Bitcoin increase, and if that continues, then obviously the altcoins will wake up too. And well, this is just another interesting thing, that the number of addresses holding at least one Ethereum, so Ethereum getting more popular, has reached a new all-time high, which is this time more than 1.5 million addresses holding more than one Ethereum, which makes Ethereum also very, very popular. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic is all about that Binance extends zero-fee Bitcoin trading globally, so not just in the US. So a couple of weeks ago, Binance announced Binance US makes zero fees for Bitcoin trading, but now this is not just in the US, it's globally. And I think this is very important. It's starting today on the 8th of July. So this is worldwide, and trading fees are being eliminated across 13 stablecoins and fiat combinations, including Bitcoin USDT, Bitcoin USDC, Bitcoin BUSD, obviously. And actually it will remain in place until further notice, so we don't know how long, but this is definitely a hard stuff for the competitors, because Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency, and now you can buy it without any trading fee on Binance globally. So we'll see what the other exchanges will make, what kind of move, but I think this is actually important for those who would like to sell or buy Bitcoin, accumulate Bitcoin. It could be also a good thing. Right, okay, now let's move to the next topic, and the next topic is a rather interesting one, starting with Voyager getting bankrupted. So we have here, Voyager Digital files for, Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. And but the whole thing getting as a mess, because look at this. Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research owns bankrupt Voyager, $377 million US. So Alameda Research, the firm founded by the crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, that last month extended $500 million line of credit to crypto broker Voyager Digital. On the other hand, itself owes the company $377 million. So why not just simply, give it back? Why to lend it? This is very weird. And on the other hand, Voyager also has lended out money to Three Arrow Capital. They owe them $600 million. Here, when we zoom in, you can see here that loan counterparties, that Alameda Research Ltd. We have here, then we have Three Arrow Capital and all the others. So basically, the whole thing is, to be honest with you, a mess. Three Arrow Capital is also in the trouble, largely because $200 million US it lost in Terra collapse in May, and its lenders began to realize the huge loan on books were about to go into default. So which is interesting to look at is now we do not know who is behind what and why they owning, why not giving back the money, what's happening here basically. And this is a totally new thing to having this kind of whole centralized loan thing. The whole crypto and Bitcoin is all about decentralized, and this is what it was made for. But recently, especially in 2021, this lending protocols really started to work, this yield farming, everything, and these centralized things. And now we can see the downside of it, because it's really causing trouble, people losing their money, funds are frozen, and so on and so forth. So now there's a new thing that Voyager Digital it's about to bankrupt, and the story is getting to unfold, and we will obviously follow it. And now another company we have here, they have again frozen withdrawals. Let's talk about them. This is Vauld. And yes, other companies doing the same thing, just like Celsius did. This time we have here, Vauld, Singapore crypto exchange, freezes withdrawals. It's again CFI lender, and it suspended all withdrawals, trading, and deposits, just like happened with Celsius. And Voyager, BlockFi, all these companies, the same story now. They getting in trouble, and when the panic starts, people start to panicking, would like to take out the money, and they have to act because they just simply don't have it that much available, and then they have to freeze it to save the project. Okay, so I think it's very important to understand here that this is very slippery area. Look at here, Cointelegraph reported in March in 2021 that Vauld boosted double-digit interest rate on popular stablecoins such like TREZOR, DAI. Then we had Bitcoin 7.23. Look, here you can see the numbers. This crazy numbers. So you think if you keep your fiat money simply in a bank, you're getting zero, and then you make it to stablecoin. It's pegged to the dollar, and then you're simply getting this huge, compared to zero especially, more than 10% increase. Guess what? It's not without risk. And now we can see all these lending protocols, centralized lending protocols, getting into trouble one after each other. So really be careful where you're holding your crypto. Definitely store it somewhere offline. Most likely, I think, is the best one to keep it in a hardware wallet. Talking about hardware wallets, Here we go. Here's the next topic. And the next topic is all about, Ledger Live is a new feature. Now you can swap your crypto with FTX directly. Okay, so, so far to keeping in a hardware wallet probably is the safest place to keep your crypto, because then you own your private key and it is not online, which is very important. And now actually we have a new feature, so you can now swap crypto with FTX through Ledger Live. So with this integration of FTX service into the swap section of Ledger Live, so you can find it now in the swap section, you can now swap 120 plus digital assets with low fees, self-custody and world-class security. It's a world first. So thanks to a new partnership, swapping your coins with FTX through Ledger Live and securing them with the Ledger Nano now only involves a single transaction with your swap funds automatically sent to your ledger. So as you can see, probably this is the future. Then you will keep it on your ledger, but you can easily access it with cryptocurrency exchange, and then it will be a single transaction. With that, obviously, you can save money, and it will be self-custody, so you can actually own your crypto and own the private key of it. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, if you like this kind of content, smash the like button. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to stay up to date, because in these times it's also very important. And today is Friday. I'm back on Monday with the freshest, so I wish you an amazing day. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.